Got Kai here. Got Ryan coming right there with all the equipment. Kind of a hike, so we're cheating and using a skid steer for that. Nice little hill to come down. But today, taking this monster and this one down. We're gonna try and drop both of these right here. We don't have to do any cleanup. They just want them on the ground. They're ash trees, died out. This one's gonna be a little tricky. It's got quite a bit of back weight, but we can utilize anything even if it pops off the wrong way. Stay tuned. This is one of them. She's pretty tall, full. This one got plenty of work room to cut it, and a nice little creek here. This one over here is our fun one. This we have massive drop off on the back side, so making this cut is gonna be fun. But all right, so I've already tried. We're just going to the first little crotch here. Kai's going first try attempt. Right? Oh, and he threw it at me. What was that?
I released wrong.
The attempt was good, the field goal was bad.
Yeah, the attempt was good.
Again, second throw, it didn't fail. Up to players, we got Ryan throwing it. Gonna see if he gets it through. Maybe he won't throw it at me this time. And the toss is good on the first go round. Look at that.
Hey. We were just planning on throwing a rope through it and selling it. Well, plans have changed. Have Alex up there setting a rope in the center lead. And so
all right, so we're on the sketchy river bank tree here. I'm gonna have to use pretty much this to stand on for my back cut, since I can't do anything down here. It's just nothing. It's too scary to spike to. You can see the bark was just coming off like crazy. I mean, ain't nothing to it. It was very difficult trying to spike up it. But we're gonna try and get you behind the, there he is right there coming through the thicket for me. And he's gonna put the GoPro over here so y'all can kind of watch me struggle to cut this thing. I'm gonna try and drop it here, and then hopefully it's gonna land somewhere in here. We'll see. All right, so probably not a wise choice, but I'm gonna throw it to Kai, let him set it up. Thanks for any words of encouragement, guys.
yeah.
Don't worry, guys. Kai's coming to get you. I should be recording you doing that.
Well. Oh, you turned her off? Oh yeah, it's still on. Tripping. Man, hey, it's okay, you know. Maybe they want to see me climb out the old wood line. The things we do for y'all, YouTube. All right.